So here it is, our beautiful double pleated or two-tiered valance, and I hope you'll be inspired to try this one. And the good thing about it, it can be used on both sides. So when you turn it to the other side, you have a white valance. Okay, so be inspired and ensure that you have a good look at it. So another view, I've added some tassel, some fringe to the top there. So you can see it's another look. There it is. Hello, good morning. This is Sharon from Everything Beautiful. Today I'm making another valance, and this one is actually in orange and white. It also has 4 parts. It has a top layer that goes right across to the top here, and this is a miniature. I won't be giving you any measurement for this. I've already done a video on how you should measure for your balances. Okay, first you take the width of your window and decide on the amount of pleats you want, and if the width of the window is 30, you're going to multiply that by 3. If you're using 1-inch pleats, and if you're using 2-inch pleats, you're going to multiply that by 6, because each pleat has 3 layers, top layer, middle layer, and the bottom layer. Okay, so you decide, that's how you decide on the width, the amount of fabric that you'll need for the width of your window. Okay, so and you can always play around with it. Okay, it's not hard. So I've showed you how to make these valances, so I don't need to really go start from scratch with anything again. You have a very good idea. You know, it's just the different designs I want to show you just now. So here we have, as I said, this one has 4 pieces. So this is the center, and so this is the middle valance, and we have 2 jabots. So I did one already, so this is one, and what I'll be doing, I'll do another one to go to the left. It also has a top layer, which is this. So this is going to go right at the top here, right across at the top here. And the good thing about this is that we will be using just 1 rod pocket. Okay, 1 rod pocket. That's the good thing with these valances. You don't have to really use, you know, different rods or whatever it is. You know, 1 rod pocket is good enough. And it also depends on the fabric, the texture of the fabric, because some fabric are very thick. So I would say, you know, choose your fabric for your valances. Maybe not too heavy like tapestry, you know, but you know what you like. You can always play around with it. So with this one, if you notice here, so this, as I said, has 2 jabots, and I've tried to match the pleat here. Okay, so right there, and if you notice again that this one, the pleat goes away from the center. The one I always do like this one. Okay, you see, you're able to get the little pattern at the middle, and so if you line this, you will see the different colors are showing there. You can also line this, and you can use your tassel or your fringe for embellishment, so you can do that. I won't be doing any. You can also pipe it. Okay, so without further ado, let me go on, make the second jabot, and put them together and add the red pocket, and I'll show you the next step. So here it is. I have pleated all three pieces now, and this is what it's looking like. So there it is. Okay. I've also decided that I would let all the pleats, look the same, going in the same direction. Okay, so this one, so the design that would have been at the bottom to these sides, I flip them over and I'm actually using them on the other side. So this is now the front of the valance. And with this, I'm still wondering if I should press the pleat, iron all the pleats down. Sometimes the pleats can be left just like that because they give a little nice bouncy look. So I'm still contemplating that. So let me add the rug pocket and then we will see what it's looking like when it's finished. Okay, so please remember to like, share and subscribe, and just remember this is a channel where you learn to make new valances to make your home look a little bit more colorful and a little bit more beautiful. Thank you for watching.